right now, let's start the meeting right now. I think, let me check if some people have joined so far. I think we have some people, a little bit of people. So, okay, let's just go ahead and start the presentation for people who have not yet joined about what is UTrading, how UTrading works, for people that just join us, because it's a general meeting. So UTrading is short, is just an AI that can be making money for you while you are sleeping. You don't need to do anything once you get the settings, and always try to do analysis before jumping into the trade. Please, I want everybody to just mute yourself so that you won't disrupt this particular meeting with echo. Try to mute yourself. Don't talk when we are doing the meeting so that everybody can get. So, in short, I just want to just briefly explain for those people that just new to UTrading. It's just a powerful AI bot that can be managing your account for you on your preferable exchange like Binance, OKS, wherever, and you are not spending your initial capital to UTrading bot. The only money to pay is just the UGAS. That is the only money you need to pay to UTrading owner. Once you do that, you are good to go. Then you connect your account together with any preferable exchange you like. Then the bot will start working for you automatically. Then you need to just use the links of the person that refer you, either by me, or you see my video on YouTube. You can use my link. Then you get my training, private training as well. You need my attention. So that is just a brief explain. But the main thing about UTrading is to get the right setting from some leaders. Please try to mute yourself here while we are in the training. Someone is shouting. Someone is stopping us here. Let me see the person. There is some echo. Please, okay. Is it this person? I didn't even see this person. Okay, maybe this person.
I think it's Ajibola Lawson.
Ajibola. Let me okay. This one is motor what? Let me check. Okay. I didn't even see the person. Okay, just make sure
because you are sharing your screen.
Okay, I may not see the person very well.
Yeah, it's Ajibola Lawson.
Please, everybody just mute yourself. Just turn off that speaker so that you won't disturb us while we are in the meeting. Please and please. All right. I don't even see the person. I'm trying to look for the person. I try because people are plenty. Okay. Let me just go ahead and we can still hear me small, right? So the main thing is that after the first thing is to do when you join UTrading is to buy the UGAS. Then I think most of you guys know how to do that, and you start connecting your accounts. You come to assets, you buy, you go to store and purchase the UGAS. The UGAS are more faster than each other's. You can't compare the one of these 540 with the one of 95. You know, they are more faster than each other. They will give you a lot of boats to trade at the time. Then you start making when I bought one of 540 when I start. I'm still using it more than a year right now. And for beginner, you can start with 95 for the UGAS. It's that simple. Then also for you want to copy my trade. Some people want to copy my trade as well. I think we have another strategy here where we call it I'm trying. Okay, it's not SVIP. Okay, not on this account. Later I'll make a video on that later because I don't want to. Then it's very, very important to be checking this invest control. Okay, let me look for a record to be pointing my something, because most of you guys get what I'm saying. Okay, I've already see the stick so that I can be this. I think you can see something like this. Hold on, please. I don't want to. Sorry, please. So I can be seeing what I'm showing. So here, this area is very, very important to check how much you want to risk on your trade. If you like, you can use 100%. If you like, you can use just 25% of your money to put into the system. So let's go to the main points. For those of you you want to buy, let's start with spot trading for now. You want to buy any coin on spot trading, you can see right now, go and check Bitcoin movement first. You can see right now, this is the best time to start using DCA strategy to buying a spot, small, like that. You can see all the market as red right now. This is the best time to start accumulating more coin on what? On spot. Let's check UTrading. Let's check Bitcoin analysis on our trading view. You can see right now, Bitcoin, let's check the daily time frame first or the weekly. Okay, let me just check the weekly time frame. You can see Bitcoin has given like 3 major rejection. We see the rejection here, another rejection today. That means it reject that area. Maybe people are taking profits. When Bitcoin come to this zone again, around 110, it reject, it reverse. All right, so then you see a lot of retracements right now. Then you come to your daily time frame. You can see maybe by 12 o'clock, I may look for buy opportunity after this candle close. This candle close by 12 o'clock in the midnight Nigerian time, whatever country you are. So I will be looking for buy around this area. All right, around this zone. Let me point out this. Okay, this zone around is in a 106 whatever on a daily time frame. Then you go back to your 4 hours. You can see Bitcoin is coming to where you can give a buy. This is the last this area is the last, what you call it? You can see it's the last low around 105 on 4 hour time frame. So if Bitcoin come to this area again, people may still buy around this zone. So this area is for you guys to just be doing DCA strategy, to use UTrading to buy more coin. Let me go back to UTrading. Because we can't buy Bitcoin, you can only look for opportunity coin that are very, very lesser that you guys can buy on spot. One of the coin you can start on what? You can go for this one. Uni is very good for spot trading. You can also go for this one. This AAVA. I have list of coin like that. Let me go to my draft to show you. I have list of coin, about 25 pieces of coin that you can trade on UTrading. You can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Avalanche, Matic. If you want me to send it to you, just DM me on WhatsApp. Link, Atom, ADA, INJ, ARB, ABT, up to 25 pieces of coin, IMS. All these coins are very good to trade, either spot or on spot or futures. It's very important. I have list of them like that. Many of them I normally trade them very well. So let's go back. So then all this, let's say I want to start spot right now. We have many bots there. Let me pick one. But for those of you, maybe you are a very busy person, you don't have time to be checking the market all the time. I recommend just go for this new AI, this particular one, spots AI DCA Pro. All right, this one AI DCA what Pro. You can see my arrow, right? When you click on it, you can select up to 25 coins, depend on your capital. But if you're using, let's say $100, $200, go for like 2 to 3 coin or 5. All right, or you can just let me just show you right now a random. There is a coin, all these coin like starting with BB. All these coin BB like this. You can pick them. Then you can also pick this one. All these coin I'm picking. I want to select like, let's say 10 pieces of coin for spots. I want to buy at very deep. Yes, APT. I like this coin. I'm trying to check. Yes, FETS. I like this coin. This is one of my coin. Yes, fine. All these coin, I like them. All right. So you can use this particular bot to trade for you. Render good coin. If you want me to send you all this coin, you can just DM me on WhatsApp. All right. So after this meeting, yes, I click sand. Let me just select 10 pieces of coin at a time. Then I click on confirm. All right. This we call this one AIDCA strategy. Is for people that don't have time to, So let's say you want to use this particular bot for like 3 days. You come to this area. Let me just point my arrow. Setting. You can see my arrow here. You come to this area. Then you set it to what? You change this particular mode. This one. Hold on. Let me just put my arrow. And see. Single. You can you see? You try to change this one to like I can even use it for like 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 2 days. For me, I can even use like 3 days because from now to Monday, Bitcoin, I'm using this strategy to be buying. All right. I'll click on save right now. So now right now, this is where you need to just make sure how much capital you want. How much do you want to use to buy the coin on spot? You can just drag this. Let's say you want to 10% of your money. Let's say 10% of my fund.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah,
No, sir.
I can hear you. We are in the meeting, please. What's your question? I'll still give the time for question, please. It's not yet time.
Okay, sir. I can't see your screen.
You can't see my screen. What? Who is not seeing my screen? Let me check.
Yes, sir.
Nobody? Who else is not seeing my screen?
Me.
Who else is not seeing my screen?
I can see your screen.
Please rejoin again. Rejoin, leave and rejoin again.
Okay,
Click
sir.
on the link again and join. I think you guys can see my screen, right? Then you can, let's say you want to choose like 3 days, 5 days, 7 days for this one. You can pick this one, 3 days to treat for 3 days. Then after 3 days, the bot will automatically stop for you. Then you click on save. Then you click on launch. Then you launch the coin. All right. Then here you can either leave it at this one, mass order. The bot know everything how to do it for you. It's work for people that don't have time to be checking, doing analysis, all those stuff. Is that then you click on launch, then you launch the coin. The right now here you can how much you want to use on your capital. Let's say 10% of my capital is okay for me. Yes, 10% of my capital, 10%. Yeah, I can just click on launch right now because it's spot trading. I want to buy deep. Simple. I have some coin trading on spots. Waiting. You can see waiting. I may be because I don't export my capital. So if you're getting something like this unallocated fund, you can go back to your control. Let me go back to your investment control. Yes, can you see? I've already dragged it right now. You can see. Let me just drag it to 100% or let's see 75%. All right. Yes, 75. Yes, it's okay like this. Let me just go back to that trade. But yes, you can see. Let me just try to refresh. It will change. Because I've already launched a lot of. That's why I can see. Can you see running? You can see running. You can see everything's running right now. You can see running. So this one is for spot trading. For people that don't have time to trade all the time. You can see all the time. You can see it's very simple strategy to do that. Very simple. You can see. So right now, let's go back to the future market right now. So let's check our Bitcoin again. It's still good for us to either go for long. Yes, this area you can start going because Bitcoin has already dropped drastically from this particular zone to this particular area. I can still look for another buy opportunity around this area. around 105, 106, because it has dropped very well. It's a very big opportunity for us. Can you see Bitcoin has started moving up small on this? Let me just check my 1 hour time frame. We are seeing small. It may go up small, but we are still in downtrend. But I'm still looking for this low around this area. It may come to this area, all right, for me to go for, for buy on futures, all right. But I may wait by tomorrow morning or in the afternoon, and let's just see by 12 o'clock today to look for buy opportunity for all, because when Bitcoin go up, other coin will also go up. When Bitcoin dump, most of the coin will start dumping. Let me show you on UTrading right now. Let's go to UTrading. Let me just click on. You can see all the coin are, because Bitcoin is dropping. That is why all these coins are also what? Dropping. You can see them dropping drastically. So when Bitcoin is pumping, don't always go for buy. You are going to start looking for sell or opportunity for all these altcoins. You can see this is the best time to enter the market. That drop drastically. And for those of you who want to trade all these particular some coin like lesser one here, this one is very dangerous coin, but you can try to be shorting them when Bitcoin all these coins like they write something like CC. This one, all these C coins, CC. All right, they can pump, they can also dump. All right, but the coins that are very good are starting with, let's say, B and A. All this one, you can SHIB is very legit coin. SHIB is legit one. ICPC, you can see. All this one are just meme coin. All this one you can see CC. You can see they are dropping drastically. But the time you can trade them is when Bitcoin go up very well. Like yesterday, if you short all this coin yesterday, you will make a lot of money on this all these coins, starting with all this C, letter C, all this one. You can, all right. So, but if you want to trade a good coin that are very regulated, you can start using all this B1, Argo, all this Atom coin, all this one, you can trade them. All this Pi, PYTH, this one, they are good coin for you to, to trade them. All this, yes, all they are very good coin. All right, So if you want to go, I can even go for buy. Let me just go for buy on futures. I can use either any of the I can use either DCA, this one. I can use also this one, AIDCA Pro, to trade for me automatically. For people that don't have time to be checking the market, use AIDCA Pro. It's very simple strategy. But if you are a professional trader, you can go for this one and set your limit, everything yourself. You can, change this. Let me just change this one to any coin that is more preferred. ICPC. Let's say I want to do this one. You can set it. This one is for, yes, I want to go for long. I can set it myself. I can use my level. Let's say I want to use 20x leverage. Yeah. Then I would choose radical for what? Let me just radical. Sorry, steady. I can use, let's say, 10s or 20s is okay for me. All right. Then I can change all this one. Mass order, let's say 2 or 1 is okay for me. Then I can try to price gap, let's say 2% or 3%. It's okay. Then my take profit can be, let's say, 1%. That's all. Then I'll set my how much I want to use to trade. I can, if I want, let's say I want to use, let's say 25, let's say $20. I'll just go to my calculator, times calculator, 20x, $20 times 20x leverage. That means I'm going to use 400 count. So on this area, I'll make sure this area is about 400 count. Let me show you again. This area must be 400 count here. I'll just be dragging it to make it like 400. Okay, let's say 250. Okay, 150 and 152. You can see we have gotten it. I can just launch it to long here, long coin to long it. Is that same? That one is for DCA, manual DCA, manual DCA. All right. Then my take profit is just 1%. It's that simple. I can just launch it right now. Simple as that. Because I'm doing because I see Bitcoin has dropped drastically. I want to use that opportunity to just buy deep. So let me just go for those of you that don't know how to do analysis, whatever, you can just go for this one. This AI, let me just go to markets. Then come to let me just all these coins that are very good coin. Yes. This one, AIDCA futures. This one is good for people that don't have time to be checking the market. Click on it. You can select up to 5 coins based on your capital. 5. You can just DM me to ask me how much is your, so that I can give you the settings based on your capital. You can select this coin. SRP is very good coin. Then STI, this coin as well is very good coin. Link, yes, Link, all these coin ARB, they are good coins to trade on futures. Then near as well, you can also trade near. All right. Then you can also trade this coin World yes, it's very good coin. APT. I want to select like 10 pieces of coin. All the Gala, all this coin, INJ. I'm okay with 11 coin. Or you can select up to 25 pieces of coin at a time. Then you click on confirm. Now this particular indicator edge means you can, if you don't know, maybe this one will help you to buy and sell at the same time. But they both normally wait for the signal to either go for shorts or buy. All right, or you can even use this one in the indicator indirect. This one. All right, or you can even put it at what? Either this one or this one. You know, so the both will know when to edging. It will know edging trade for you to buy and sell. You know, but it normally wait for each other to close before trigger a price on your exchange. Do you understand me right now? But if you are not sure, you can go for this one. I have used everything is working. I've tested everything. It's working perfectly. Either this one, indicator edge. You can just set your leverage. Let's say you can use, let's say 15x leverage. Okay. Then you can just drag your capital here. Drag it like, let's say 10% of your capital or 15%. Depend. Let's say 15 or 10. It's okay. Or 40% it's okay. Then you click on launch. That all. Then the capital will start. The bot will start working for you. So you can even use this one if you are not sure. Indirector. Then if you want to just leave it for like 3 days, you can just come to this particular area. Come to this zone. Down here. Then you come to this running mode. You change this one to day by day. I want to trade it for like, let's say 5 days or even 3 days. I'm okay with 3 days. All right. Someone is noisy. No, I don't know why. Then you click on launch. Then you set it to either 10% or 5. All right. Yeah, I'm okay with this. Then you click on launch. You are good to go. Let me check someone that is noisy here. All right. Someone, okay. Who is the person that is? So I think you guys get something right now according to these settings. If you have any question, let me know so that we can know maybe we are getting right. Hello. So you can just click on, because I've already launched a lot of coin. I may not launch this one because I've launched many coin already. So you just click on launch, then the bot will start working for you automatically. They have different type of AI here, but this one is beginner friendly. Who don't know how to trade, just set it up and leave the bot to start working for you automatically. And today profit so far, even on spots, we are still making money. Because I just discovered all these settings recently. You can see my profit is start changing. All right. Then on future today, we don't make more money because of the market is not going move. But on spots, I try to buy deep to make more money. Do you understand me? So who has any question before we left? By in the next by 9:45, we are going to end the meeting.
Good evening, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Good evening.
Hello, sir.
Welcome.
Hello, sir.
I can hear you.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Good evening, everybody. So, I want to ask questions regarding that that count for how long you set your robot to run. Let's assume I set it to 7 days, and before that 7 days, I want the robot to go off the market. What will I do?
Okay, you mean, okay, let's say you set it for 7 days and you just want to stop the robot before 7 days, right?
Yes.
Then you can just but make sure you close the trade on what? On profits. Let me go to one of the bots. Because you can see something like I can see, right? This one has start making money small, but let's say, but not yet. I just launched all this one recently. Make sure all the bots are making profit already. You can just click on this one and click on this stop. Here, you can see something like stop down, then you stop it. But make sure you have some little profit before you close it, before that 7 days. Do you understand me? Or you can even pick all those short time, like 3 days, 5 days is okay for you. Then you are good to go now. Just test run. Or you can even leave it on one shot. It depends. So that's how. Any question? You can just raise up your hand and ask any question before we left.
Good evening, sir.
You're welcome.
I wanted to ask if the AI has risk management, sir. Does it?
The bot.
Yes.
Yeah, let me show. Are you joining from our group? Abi, you join from Telegram or where?
Yes, I am on your group on WhatsApp and Telegram. Yeah.
Okay. So if let's say you want to you want to, okay, right now let's say the bot has investment control here. This area, it has investment control here, and you also set your even stop loss on any. You can see this one. I just put my own on. Let's say you can even put it like this. Invest control 75, depend. But let's say you want to let me look for one of the coin that you can even set it. You can set stop loss. You can let me look for this coin, but this one is on spot. All right, let me just go futures. The one of futures that you may be experiencing some floating losses because of the market, because Bitcoin just dumped today. Let me just lose spot. But spot is very, very easy. Like let's say you want to start stop loss for this one, you can just come to modify here, come to modify, then you come to settings. You can see this is the area of stop loss, whatever. It depends. You can see on that area, you click on it. You can set percentage here, or you can set amounts, anyone you like. So if it is, you can say, let's say 2%, you set it like that, or 5%, you set it like that, or you want to set amounts, so the bot will stop it automatically for you. Just make sure to be checking the market before you launch any coin. But this is the best time to go for long trade, because the market is trying to retrace back to 105 to 106. Are you with me?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
So that's it. Any other question before we left the Zoom right now? Jeffrey has raised up his hand. Jeffrey, Jeff, I don't know what his name is that. Ask your question, please, before we left. Any other question?
I'm trying to find out if it is possible to leave your trades for, let's say you're trading on spot, leave your trade for 1 month. Then maybe as you trade on, you just take out your profit. Is it possible while the boat is trading?
Yes, for spot trading. Spot trading is more lesser risks than foodstuff. It's more lesser risk. Like I think, let's say you want to go for all these coins that are dropping right now, you can easily just go for it. Let's say I want to trade this coin at with AIDCA Pro spot trading. Let's say I want to trade Polana, for example. I pick it, then I just go for round setting, single mode, day by day, 30 days. You can see there are 30 days there. 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, 15 days, 30 days. It's that simple. Then click on save. Then you set your how much you want to start with your use percentage, either $50, depend on you. Then you launch it. It's that simple. For spot trading, I'm talking about spot trading. Then you just launch it. It's that simple. Are you okay? Hope that answer is clear. Salam. Now we say Adebo or whatever. Okay. Ask your question, please.
Good evening.
Yeah, welcome.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Welcome.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please,
Okay.
I am very new
Yes, I'm
on
okay.
this
Thank you.
UTrading platform.
All right.
But I
You
thought while
join the Zoom
joining this,
the meeting from
Yes,
the
it's clear.
Telegram?
hello?
Yeah, it's
I
clear.
think
I understand. Thank you so much.
No,
okay.
from the WhatsApp group. You sent the
Okay.
link to me. And today is the first day. I think it was yesterday I first heard about this UTrading platform.
Okay.
And through your guidance, I was able to download and register, and at the same time, I bought the gas, and I've
Okay.
also, deposited some money into my account.
Okay.
My thoughts is that while on this meeting, you'll be able to tell us the introduction of this trading platform, because you cannot assume, I believe you cannot assume that everybody on the platform knows everything about the
No,
trading
maybe you
platform.
joined something late, Abi? Because
No, I didn't join late. Hello. I joined yesterday. If you noticed, I've been chatting you up and we have been discussing. Even this afternoon, we discussed. So when I deposited money into my account, I changed from what is it called, Binance, where I couldn't log in into that one, into Bybit. And up to now, when I binded my account with the Bybit, the setting on Bybit, I don't understand any.
Okay.
Ask you whether you can put me through on how to apply some settings on that Bybit, because the video that you sent the link to me, when I watched it, somehow the Bybit platform has changed. There are some settings that they have changed from it. I think their application have been, updated. So I couldn't get all those messages right the way you explained in that your message. I was expecting you to tell
that
us
one
how to bind,
I will
combine
try.
before
Okay.
all these settings. To me, all these ones you have been saying, it's just like you are just saying Spanish. I don't understand anything.
No, because you don't.
Because
You know the meeting based on we want. Maybe you misunderstand this meeting. This meeting just based on
hello.
setup for futures. Wait, this meeting just based on how to set your trading bot on spot and what and future market. That is the main reason of this what.
Futures.
Do you understand? But maybe we
I
have.
understand quite well. I thought everybody here. I thought you were beginning for everybody. That was why you added me, because that the conversation was supposed to be private between you and I. So
And
I
don't worry
saw
about
the
that now.
link. So I
But because
don't know anything
if
yet about this thing. And money is there, and I don't know how to connect. The binding, the setup from the Bybit, I don't understand
let
it.
me just show
Not
you
to talk
because
of
I
all
don't.
these
I'm
ones
not
you are
using this
saying.
Bybit account. But some echo is. I don't know why people don't uh, turn off your mic, please, everybody, so that we can hear each other's. So I think I have a video already. Let me search my YouTube. But don't worry about that. Maybe I will still guide you privately on that, so that because of the time we are about to close the meeting.
I'll prefer that, because I've watched the video. It does not
You know, but
correspond with what I'm seeing
I
on the
told in that
Bybit.
video
The
I explained
setting
that
has
anybody, if you are using, okay, let me say, okay, Bybit. This Bybit is just a RAM. Okay,
in order not to
uh,
waste your time, let's call
okay.
this one,
Don't
and I
worry,
will prefer you just tutor me on that one privately within
don't
the
worry.
two of us. Since
Yeah, don't worry.
yesterday, I've been on your neck, but I have not gained anything reasonable.
But maybe you didn't get, because even the video is a recent video, because Bybit right now, if you don't use VPN at times, they may ask, because they don't allow Nigerians to use Bybit in Nigerian
I'll prefer
when you
you use the
are.
current setting on that Bybit to explain to me.
Don't worry,
I don't want
you
to
will share
make
your screen
mistake
to me.
at all.
You will share your screen to me. You will share your screen to me. So let's
No,
just end out.
they allow us to use it. Yes,
Don't maybe
they allow us to use it.
after this call, we just share. I will
Uh-huh.
send a private Zoom link. Then you can share your screen to me. Do you
We
understand?
can talk.
After this one.
I'll appreciate that.
So
I'll appreciate that.
let's end this
Thank you very
particular
much.
meeting tonight for this one, because this one is for general meeting. And by tomorrow we are going to, maybe
Okay.
next tomorrow we are going to have another meeting for people that want to ask another. Because we want to round up the meeting by let's say in the next 10 minutes now. So if anybody has any question, you can just ask me via my DM on WhatsApp. And if you are not yet registered, you can just join my Telegram and see our link there on Telegram. If you have any question, you can just DM me on WhatsApp as well, so that we can talk together privately. So if you don't understand anything, just make sure to DM me. All right. I have a lot of groups here already. This is my WhatsApp, Telegram community for everybody from YouTube directly. So let's just stop the meeting tonight. By tomorrow or next tomorrow, we are going to maybe start another meeting. So thank you guys for watching, for attending tonight.
Hello, Mr. Latif.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, sir. Sorry, I know you didn't see my hand. I wanted to just ask you, based on your experience,
Yeah.
when we have deployed our strategy, let's say for small accounts, what is your percentage that you should be looking out for when you are seeing floating loss? How many percentage of your capital should you know that your strategy is not working? That if
Okay.
I have deployed my strategy and I'm seeing some floating loss, and though I'm getting the profit, but the floating loss is increasing, when do I know to stop?
Do you know that I think the best way for people that don't have time to wait for are you trading on spot or futures?
Just futures for now. I've not went.
Futures I recommend right now for people that cannot wait. Just be using single mode, just one shot single. Place the trade, then stop it in the net. Let's say, for example, every single morning by, let's say, market normally open for Nigeria around 7:30, 8 o'clock, or 9, let's say 9 o'clock for Nigerian. Turn on your boat around that time. By, let's say, by this time, or let's say by evening, when you make some profits, you can just stop the trade, or you can just allow the broker, when you make for that day, stop it. Then by tomorrow again, you turn on again. So just keeping doing that kind of thing. At least in a day, you make some little money. Before you know, you are accumulating more profits, so that you not leave your money on the market, because future is very, very risky. It's not for people that are not risk taker. Sport is for people, maybe you have a lot of capital, like 10K, you can go for sports. But you don't have a lot of capital, you can just be trying to risk some money on putting on future market. Then you start using it to make money, small like that on futures. Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand you.
So just be going on single mode, like one shot, trade and get out of the market. Then you look at another opportunity. Bitcoin is the major problem of cryptocurrency. When Bitcoin start pumping, all this will start pumping. But right now, as I'm talking to you, this is the best time to go into the market small, using this year's strategy. By Monday, Tuesday, the market will come to normal back. It's normal thing. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you clear now?
Yes, I'm clear.
Okay, so we are about to end the meeting. Maybe by tomorrow, then we are going to have another meeting so that everyone can ask another question from us. So thank you guys for listening. So see you guys by tomorrow or next tomorrow. We are going to have another meeting. So bye for now. Thank you.